To get started with Sign.UseWise from Microsoft 365, you first need to install the Sign.UseWise add-in. Go to Application Settings and open the Add-in section. Select Deploy and manage Outlook add-in via Microsoft 365 Admin Center. This will open a new browser tab leading to the Microsoft 365 Admin Center. Click Upload Custom Apps to begin the deployment process. In the sidebar, select Office Add-in as the app type. Check the box for Provide Link to Manifest File. Return to the Sign.UseWise app window to copy your manifest file link. Paste this link into the Admin Center field and click Validate. Choose whether to install the add-in for your account only, the entire organization, or specific users or groups. Click Next, then select Accept Permissions. Log into your admin account if prompted and accept permissions. Click Next, and then select Finish Deployment. You can track the progress via the status bar. Once deployment is complete, it may take up to 72 hours for the Sign.UseWise add-in to appear in Outlook. Select Done. If you need any assistance with the deployment, please don't hesitate to reach out to us using the contact links provided in the video description.